Navigate your business effortlessly with our intuitive dashboard. You can quickly access the comprehensive order tax report, streamlining your financial overview and saving valuable time. Gain instant insights with our detailed order tax report. This feature consolidates all your tax-related transactions, offering a clear and organized view of taxable amounts, total sales, and individual order details for complete financial clarity. Refine your analysis using advanced filters to pinpoint specific data, ensuring precise financial reviews. Easily customize your reports by date or status, then swiftly export them in various formats for seamless sharing. Dive into the granular details of each transaction with a clear breakdown of order numbers, item totals, and applied taxes. You can meticulously review discounts and fees, ensuring every aspect of your sales data is transparently accounted for, leading to error-free record keeping. At a glance, instantly see your overall taxable amount, total sales, and total orders, empowering you with a concise financial snapshot for daily operations. Effortlessly export your critical order tax reports in PDF, CSV, or XLSX formats, ready for sharing or record keeping. This functionality ensures easy compliance and provides you with readily available documentation whenever you need it most.